Welcome to H-Grade Lux. Here we have a 2022 Chevy Corvette Stingray. This car came with a clean CARFAX. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Excellent. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. The hood looks perfect. Everything here looks good. Let's have a look at the rest of the car. Okay, so the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now let's take a look inside. We're going to start with the driver's seat. Okay, the driver's side is in good condition. Now let's take a look at the passenger side. Okay, everything here looks fine. Now let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Okay, everything here looks fine. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel looks perfect. And around the steering wheel looks good as well. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now let's have a look at the trunk. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.